Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Phew! I am on to my second video that I am recording today. I just finished filming my Marshalls and TJ Maxx hauls. I got some really good deals from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Some beautiful beauty finds. So if you guys want to see that, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. So this is actually something new to my channel because I've never did a Walmart beauty box. So we're going to be unboxing one of these bad boys for the first time ever for me and the first time ever for you guys on my channel. So Walmart makes beauty boxes and Target makes beauty boxes. I kind of like the Walmart beauty boxes better because they send them to your house like every single month. But like Target, you have to, you know, at the beginning of the month, you have to go onto Target and try to get one of the boxes. And I don't like the anxiety of like having to like log on and get a box. And it's just like, I have enough anxiety with like trying to get a box, like when it comes to like getting like mystery boxes and so forth. So I like when it's something where it automatically just gets sent to you. So this is the June makeup box. They said they're not going to be sending one in July because they're actually going to be revamping their boxes. So the next one after this will be in August. So you won't see one of these for July, unfortunately. But they said they're going to be having a lot of new fun things to their beauty boxes. So I'm super excited for this. I tried to get the Target beauty box for this month, and like it was like sold out like that same day. So I'm like, over it. So let's see what I got in my box. But before I show you what I got, are you subscribed to my channel? If you like subscription boxes, if you like makeup subscription boxes, if you like mystery boxes, if you like makeup hauls, then this is the channel for you. If you like girly things, you like pink girly things, you like beauty, skincare, hair, anything beauty related, then this is the channel for you because this is everything that I talk about on my channel, all things beauty related. Because I mean, who doesn't love beauty stuff? Like, I mean, come on. So smash that like button, give me a like if you like unboxing videos. Give me a subscribe if you love me, you love my channel, and you want to show me some love. And give me a comment. How's your day going? Do you have the Walmart beauty box? Do you have the Target beauty box? Which one do you like out of the two? Do you like neither? And also, I forgot to mention, this is very important. This box is only $5. I mean, you can't go, it's $5. Like, I mean, come on, we spend that on a cup of coffee or, you know, something at the deli anyway. So it's not like some of the boxes that's $25, $50, only $5. You can't go wrong. All right, so without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. All righty. All right, so this is your sneak peek first. And then now let me take a look. So I love right off the bat that there is cards in here. So they tell us prices. No, they do not. You guys know that's the first thing I check for is to see if there's a card that tells us the prices. There was none, unfortunately. See, this is the thing that, like, I don't get. And I know beggars can be choosers, but, like, if they took the time to make this card. So if you took I get it if you want to be environmental friendly and you just don't want to have the paper. So you guys don't do the papers. But like if they make the papers anyway, then why not just put it in make a card for the box? Like I don't know, it's mind boggling to me. Is it just me? What do you guys think about that? Like if they're going to make this card anyway that says, go to walmart.com/TP/shop-beauty-box. They took the time to make this card. Like you could have just put everything on this card. Or on this card. You know? Anyway, that was just a little mini rant. Just ranting. But it's also, they gave me another card that says available at Walmart. Treat yourself to delicious, nourishing way to reduce stress and relax your muscles. Is this something that's in here? No, that's not something that's in here. Try out delicious gummies and tasty drinks. Oh, it's like a drink, a supplement drink. And I just noticed they did give this in here. This little thing. So, what is this though? Magnesium Supplement, raspberry lemon flavored. I guess it's supposed to help with calmness. De-stress with a moment of calm. This is the card that they give us. There you go. I was trying to show you what it said. So I definitely could use this. I would definitely try this out. All right, so the next thing I got is, can't tell you guys prices because they didn't give it to me. Sorry about that. I got a Head & Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth. Is this a body lotion? No, Head & Shoulders is for here. This is a pretty hefty size for this being a $5 box. It's a pretty big size, like a deluxe size. This is 75 ml. This is pretty big. Is it open or? Smells very good. It says helps with dandruff and hair conditions. I love this. So far, I love the two things in my box. Very happy. So we got a makeup item in here. This is the NYX. This is Everything Lip Oil in a pink color. So I love this. This is nice. And I love pink. So, you know, they're right up my alley with the color. So far, I'm doing everything I got so far is doing good. And these, I want to say, are like $5 anyway. So just with this one thing paid for the price of the box. So I'm loving this Walmart $5 box right now. All right, so I'll show you this one first. Well, they both kind of coincide with each other. The Hello brand. It's supposed to be like all natural for like your teeth. It's funny because I want to buy like a new toothbrush. I was just like, the next time I go to CVS, I have to buy a new toothbrush. But I always want to try the charcoal infused toothbrushes. I've seen them a lot. But like I haven't seen them in like CVS or Walgreens. So I guess you gotta get them like at Target or Walmart. But I'm excited that I finally get to try it. And I get the toothpaste that goes with it. This is a naturally whitening toothpaste, farm-grown mint. So wow, that's farm-grown? That's so cool. With tea tree and coconut oil. No sulfates, no dyes, no sweeteners, no artificial. Everything is all natural. Super excited to try this box for $5. Did I mention this box is only $5? For $5, like, they are killing it. Definitely went over the value of my box. And I still have another thing to show you guys. So the next thing I got in here is a daily purifying cleanser. Great for oily skin. This is rose quartz and charcoal from BR. Hold on. Does it have a smell? You know, you guys, I'm big on smell. Ooh, this smells so sweet. It smells sweet. Oh, because it's rose quartz. So I guess that's the smell. Deep cleanse and radiant self-love. I am so happy with this box. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, Walmart, you did good. Oh, so it says Walmart Beauty on the actual box. It didn't say it on the outside of it, but on the side, on the sides, they do say Walmart on them. Overall, I loved this is rare. I've never liked anything from a box, like everything. Well, maybe I have, but not that I can recall lately. But I absolutely love everything in this box. So I'm so happy that I got this Walmart Beauty box. And I'm so happy that it was only $5. So I'm winning right now. Who's winning? Who's on a winning team? I'm on a winning team. So very happy for that. So I will continue to keep subscribing to the Walmart Beauty box. The Target ones, the one for this month that sold out like this month, it was like all nail stuff. So that would have been great to have. I'm guessing that's why that one sold out so fast. But in previous boxes, I didn't see anything that like really like sparked my attention. So I'm very excited for this box. So, you guys know what I'm going to say. I always say it at the end of my video. If you are not a member of my channel, What are you waiting for? You watch my videos anyway. You guys know you guys love unboxing. If you watch this video, you guys love unboxings and you like makeup subscription boxes. So just subscribe. You guys know I'm gonna be posting these videos anyway. Might as well do yourself a favor so that way you guys know when I'm posting. If you hit that notification bell, then you'll know exactly when every single time I upload. So, you know, show your girl some love, give this video a like, and just subscribe. I'll see you guys all in my next video. You guys know I miss you guys. Thank you guys for being patient with me as I started my first week of